Hi, in this video, we will show you how to install ChromeOS Flex. This ChromeOS Flex now is stable by Google. To install, you need to prepare and then plug in the USB drive or flash drive. Minimum is 8 gigabytes. After you input the USB drive like this, okay, this is my flash drive. Now open in Google is Chrome Utility Recovery or Recovery Utility. Yes, this Chrome Recovery Utility is on the web store of Google. Then you can click add to Chrome and add extension. After that, you can open the Chromebook Recovery Utility and choose in the your extension, then click get started, and you can select a model from list. Now in here you can select Google Chrome OS Flex, then choose Chrome OS Flex, click continue in here. Then you can select your flash drive in here. This is my USB drive is 14.7 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes. Then click continue and make sure you have connected into internet because the file will download it. You can click create now and wait the all process is completed or the download process is completed. You can see this is 7 minutes remaining. After the download process is completed, then you need to reboot or restart your PC. Then of course you need to make the Chrome OS Flex is the first put priority on the BIOS. Usually when the reboot or restart your PC, you can press escape or F1 or F2. It's based on your PC model. Okay, let me show you how to install Chrome OS Flex. You can try or you can just install permanent on your devices. Let's do it after the process is completed. Okay, 99%. And after 100%, this is verifying the download of our Chrome OS Flex. Okay, unpacking. The Chrome OS Flex is stable now. In the 15 July 2022, Google announced this OS version becomes stable. Okay, it's very hard to provide the ISO file of Chrome OS, so we need to download directly from Google Store or Chromebook Store. Now almost completed the process to make bootable from Chrome OS Flex. This is verifying. Okay, 99 seconds again. And success, your recovery media is ready. Now we can reboot our PC and start from here. I will using my smartphone to record, because when install the Chrome OS, I can record on live with screen recorder on PC. Okay, just now we successfully to create a bootable for Chrome OS Flex. Now we can reboot our PC, and please, this is the most important, make the USB is in the first boot priority, and I already do this. When your computer is restart, you can press F1, F2 or escape based on your PC models, and select boot, then choose your flash drive into first priority to boot. This is the Chrome OS Flex appearance when the flash drive media is loaded. And in here, the interface of Chrome OS Flex installation started. Please wait, sometimes the load process is slow, but after the pop-up or interface is appear all, the process is faster. Okay, now we can select get started. Then this is the two option install. If you need to install permanent on your devices or on your PC, try if you want just to try. Okay, we can install the Chrome OS Flex. We can connect into our network, for example in here. Okay, connect into Wi-Fi successfully. Now loading. And in here, this is the Google terms. I want to accept and continue, and this is next to mine. Okay, this is our email address. Please input your email address. Okay, I will pause this input sensitive data. Now after we add our account, the process is go to this step. In here, we can just click accept and continue. Click accept and continue, and I untick this and click accept and continue. This is the process. Please wait to install the Chrome OS is slowly. This is the Chrome OS Flex, and wait the loading process. Okay, we can skip this. Okay, this is your Chrome OS ready to use. It look like this. Okay, you can see here. And in the next video, let's try to explore more about this ChromeOS Flex. To shut down, you can just click in the bottom right corner, and this is the shutdown button. Okay, that's all tutorial how to install Chrome OS Flex by Google. Thanks for watching.